Alright, guys, welcome back. Today is a hell of a lot cooler than it's been. I mean, it feels like October this morning. I don't know exactly what the temperature is right now, but it's pretty damn cool. It's not, winter cool, but it's a hell of a lot cooler than it's been. See if we can't catch us a bass on this buzzbait. There he is, right there at the bait. That's a good one too, boy. First cast. Hey. Stop flopping around, son. There you go. That's a big one. I'm gonna let you go. Look at you, barely hooked. Man, you got grass in your eye. Look at that. Good night. First cast. Let's let him go. Right back to where he was. Look at that. Ain't that something? Today's gonna be a good day. Oh yes it is. I know there's some bass looking at this thing. They're probably looking at it saying, damn boy, what the hell is that? Well, it's like a damn alien mothership done beamed down from Mars, boy. Screaming through here. They come to take our soul. Don't look at it. Don't look it in the eye. It'll get you. Oh, there, boy. There you go. This ain't no free ride. These bass probably thinking, damn boy, that buzzbait, he got a turbocharger and a shift kit, boy. That sucker screaming. That buzzbait done watched too many Fast and the Furious episodes. Boom! That sucker sounds like a 60 horse Kubota. Them bass probably don't know what the hell to think about this. Should I eat it? Should I not? If I look at it, it'll take my soul. Turn your head, Fred. Don't look at it. We'll never see you again. They'll beam you up. Alright, snake, if you're in here, I'm coming through. Don't jump out and bite me, boy. Get in these bushes. Get out of there, boy. Alright, no snake didn't get bit. Life is good. Such a beautiful morning to be out here. Got the cooler air, fall rolling off the lake. Days like this is why I get up and go fishing. That's why I love going fishing. I'd do this full time if I could afford it or was good enough. There's another one. Well, that's what you get for a high-speed reel right there, boy. Hell yeah. He just barely hooked too. Easy. My skin hooked him. There's number two. He's quicker, but he's number two. Look at the mouth, boy. Hello in there. Go. Oh, that water's hot. It's like a damn hot tub. There's number 3. I'm liking this buzzbait this morning. Man, boy. Stop. There we go. Oh, you tangled up, are you? There we go. Number 3. Got a little grass on him, but he's okay. Gone. Alright, let's get after it. You know, you feel a sense of accomplishment. You feel a sense of accomplishment when you go fishing early in the morning and you go do whatever it is you do for the rest of the day, whether it's go to work or go to school or continue fishing or whatever it is that you're going to do after you catch your fish. You get that sense of accomplishment when you're walking around, and I'm not going to say stinking, but smelling like a bass. Bass don't smell like other fish. They have their own distinct smell. Love it. Love that smell. When you get that little bit of smell on your hands and you can kind of catch a little whiff of it every now and then, that's when you know you've had a good day. Alright, so I don't know about you guys, but I carry a pocket knife with me every day. You never know when you need a knife. And if you don't have it, you feel kind of naked. Well, that's what happened. Today's Tuesday. Friday, I lost my pocket knife. So I racked my brain, looking around the house, trying to figure out, hey, where did I leave it at? I found it this morning. I found it at work. I found it laying right there on the floor. Now, you may be wondering, Jack, why is this even relevant? I just want you to see the durability. This is a Kershaw Blair. Now this thing has been run over by the forklift at least once, if not more. The only thing it did was it bent the pocket clip. Hey, I got a dime in there, look at there. So all it did was bent the pocket clip. It still works perfectly. And it's been run over by the forklift. I'm just saying. Quality made. Alright, so I know it's been almost 12 hours since the last time I talked to you guys. It is 6:52 p.m. The last time I spoke to you guys was around 7 o'clock a.m. So it's almost 12 hours. You didn't miss anything. The only thing I did was work stuff. Yeah, that's it. That's all I did was work. But right now, we are going to Lowe's and Dick's Sporting Goods. Dick's Sporting Goods, I have to get a particular lure, fishing lure. Probably won't show you guys while we're in there because it's going to be kind of a secret till a few days from now. And we got to go to Lowe's because I have to get some stuff for the weed eater. So we will see you guys when we get there. Everybody keeps telling me I need to. Ooh. I need to try one of these.
One of what?
One of these reels.
Don't hit me in the head with it. The 13 rod.
Mm-hmm.
Just the reel or the rod too?
Well, I don't really care for the rod, but the reel. They're supposed to be good.
How much is just the reel?
I don't know. I don't know if they have just the reel. The whole thing is that.
Yeah.
Probably.
You think so?
Yeah. You doing an old cell phone safe week video?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Where do you want to go?
Hey.
Thought we were going to Georgia Blue.
Okay, that's fine.
Daddy's the driver, so he gets to drive. Yes, please. Hey.
Fries. He wants the grilled cheese with fries.
Gotcha.
I want the red beans and rice.
I'll block you.
And then
Yeah.
you want
I
red beans and
blocked
rice
you.
too? Okay. Awesome. Did you want to add any mixed cheese, jalapenos? I don't. Do you want mixed cheese or jalapenos in yours?
Yes.
Both of them?
Yes.
I don't.
And does it come with onions?
Red onions?
Uh-huh.
Sour cream? We're good?
Good.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm so good at this.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll get you. Did you just beat me?
No. Mama.
What is this?
You want something like that? There, Mama.
You want some of these?
Give your green onion to Daddy.
All right, so we made it back from Lowe's and Dick's Sporting Goods, and we went out to eat. I didn't show you anything in Lowe's because we just had to grab one thing. It was real quick. And Dick's Sporting Goods. I'm not gonna show. I didn't show a whole lot while we were in there, but I did want to show you this. See if I can get it out of the package. My wife picked this thing out. She said that it would catch a fish. We're gonna see. I've never seen one of these. The name of it is the Fish Head Primal Spin. I'm not sure if that's focused or not, but I'm sure you can see it. Catch the beast. Hook sharp, that's for sure. But this is it. I've never seen one of these, but this is it. It's a chatterbait with an underspin. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm gonna try it. Would say I'd try it tomorrow, but I don't think I'll be able to fish tomorrow. But I am gonna try it real soon. And I got one of these. I really like spinner baits. I don't usually catch anything on them, but I like throwing them. I don't know why. I just do. You'd think if you didn't really catch anything on them, you wouldn't like throwing them, but. So this is the lunker hunt. This is in the, it's called the Kraken spinnerbait. Looks pretty cool. It's good color detail on it. It's pretty neat. So I'm gonna try those two. And I got one more that I'm gonna show you guys probably in Friday's video. And I'm probably gonna use that as a challenge lure. Yeah, I'm gonna try it anyway. I don't know if I'll catch anything on it or not because I've never fished anything like it. So we'll try it and see. Yeah, we'll call it a night. I'm tired. It's almost 10 o'clock. So appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna link some videos over here and down here, and subscribe right here. If you would, hit that subscribe button. See you guys tomorrow.